Hey everyone, this is Connor, and I'm here to show off the project that I've been working on. So a few months back, I decided that I wanted to learn Java Spring, Angular, and a little bit of Elasticsearch. This led to me creating my own fully functional social media site that I've decided to call Tribe. So let's get started. Right now, we're on the login page where the user can enter their credentials. The user authentication is handled by Spring Security, which, in all honesty, I've never implemented user authentication in one of my projects before, so this was a really great learning experience. I also got to learn how to implement bearer and refresh tokens as well, which was really cool. Anyways, I just signed in, so since I already set this account up, I'm brought to a populated feed, and the order in which posts appear in the feed is recency based. So right up there, you're able to see the Ghost from Pac-Man, all posting about their movement algorithms. And as I scroll through, you can sort of gather that the idea of the site was for it to be something of an Instagram and Twitter mashup. I'm also using pagination to make sure that the app doesn't fetch too many posts at once. So whenever the user would scroll near the bottom of the feed, all their posts would be fetched and added to it. A lot of the fun of a social media site is being able to like and comment on others' posts. So here you can see that the Ghost from Pac-Man have done that on Inky's post. And here I'm going to like it, and I'm going to write a little comment. When I made this, I was kind of going for LinkedIn's dialogue for showing likes. And so that's what I based it off of. And I can reload this, and all the data will persist. I could delete comments. And I'm using a lot of behavior subjects in this project, and that's for a few reasons. Number one is I've never really gotten to work with them before. And also, I just want the user to be able to interact with the site as much as possible without having to reload all the time. And if we do reload, I want it to be kind of seamless. Let me just wrap up this comment. Next, I'll take you to profile page. So that's where you can see all of the information about my profile. You can see all the posts that I've posted. And yeah, so you can see the tile right here at the top. It has all my information, my feed right here. I could also edit my profile from here, change my bio, change my profile picture, all my data really. And only I can access this. And I'm using behavior subjects right here since they handle state really well. And you can see that it immediately updates everywhere. I can also access the profile pages of other accounts. So here I'm accessing Inky's. And from here, I can friend or unfriend him. So I'm going to unfriend him real quick. Sorry, man. And his posts are no longer displayed. Now it's without reloading, too. To create a new post, you can see that I clicked in the side menu, which opens up this dialog where I can input an image or a caption. So here I'll do just that. Yeah, good enough. Yeah, and here you see it updates right to the feed immediately. And it'll be on my profile page as well, right there. In the spirit of also mimicking Instagram, all of the images have a 1-to-1 aspect ratio. And the app resizes post images to 1080 pixels and profile pictures to 320 pixels. Anyways, here's a quick look at my friends list. Just a list of friends, not much to talk about here, but I'm going to log out and we're going to show how you register a new account. So here you could take in a first name, last name, username, date of birth, email, password, all standard. I should probably have another field for password to have you confirm it, but it's a work in progress. I also have a little bit of validation, as you saw. I have to dive deeper into it, though. That's also not finished. But yeah, from here, you're going to register. You can see here, I just got this pop-up telling me to finish setting up the account. And this is going to pop up every time I log in until I have a set profile picture and bio. So I'm going to display that. I just put in a bio, but no profile picture. I'm going to log back in. And yep, here it is again. So let me just find a profile pic somewhere. I've got to have one somewhere. Where is it? Oh, nice. Here's one of me on vacation. Good times. Let's log out now, and I'm going to put in all my credentials again, log in, and this pop-up won't show up again. I have all my data set. I have a bio. I have a profile pic. Now the issue is that this is supposed to be my feed, and I don't have any friends yet because it's a new account, so I'm going to have to add some. Let me just post something real quick because it looks weird. Now we're going to add some friends. So I'm going to navigate over into my friends list. And here we got this search bar. So this is where Elasticsearch comes in. When a user creates a profile, some of its information gets stored in an index. And using whichever prefix was entered into the search bar, the app will construct a query to Elasticsearch that will return profiles whose usernames begin with that prefix. So from there, I can access profile pages and add friends. And that's what I'm doing so I could get a queue together. So I'm adding all the Pac-Man ghosts again. They're back at it. But ideally, I'd have a little friend button in the suggestion box when searching. But that's yet another thing on my to-do list. And that is a big one. Overall, though, this is pretty much everything on the website at the moment. And there's still a lot of things I want to add in. For example, there's password recovery, private accounts, image cropping from the UI. And honestly, part of me is kind of tempted to just add in direct messaging, but that's going to be a big undertaking. Then again, I am interested in working with Mongo a little bit more, so you never know, I might just do it. Anyways, I hope you all enjoyed watching, and feel free to check out my LinkedIn or my GitHub to keep tabs on what I'm up to, and I'll put a link to the repository in the description. But for now, everyone take care.